Hi, Lauren. I'm just looking at your file. I'm sorry it's taken me so long to get to this. I was out of town this weekend and I just apologize. This is great. I'm really liking this. And you have your clipping masks. Those look good. You have many layers. The only issue I was thinking of was you are in CMYK or color. That's good. Image size. So let's take a look. So you're at 8.5 by 4.78. So we really want the size of this to be larger. If we go to image canvas size, we can also see the size of the canvas if we put this in inches. So it's the same as the image size on this particular piece, but 8.5 wide by 4.57. So let's make this, we actually need to make this 11 by 8.5 and push OK. And so if we zoom out, you can see you'll have to resize some of your layers. And you can do that with a Command T pretty easily. You'll just have to go through, especially in that background layer. And we need to make sure that things don't get blurry when we size them up, because sometimes when we size things up, it gets blurry. But if we push Shift and resize things, push Return to make it stick, we can still get this to work out. And T on that, you know, maybe your oops. If you want to actually distort it, push Shift on your keyboard, and then you should be able to stretch it without maintaining the aspect ratio on this file. So I'm pushing Shift the whole time to get that to work out. Push Return. And then, you know, using the Move tool, you can move the image of yourself and the It Clown, obviously. Oops. If I can make it work, I'll just use the keyboard, and I'm pushing Shift on my keyboard while using the arrows. Does make it move a little bit faster. And then if you want to, you can do a Command T. I don't remember if it was down here or not, but I know your kitty was lower. So yeah, you'll just have to kind of go through and move things around and resize. But I'm liking this a lot. You could try making things a little bit more cattywampus, like maybe try spinning them with the Command T. You can actually spin things to where they are, you know, maybe more chaotic, because I mean, you could have more of a chaotic feel if things were off kilter. And then you just do a file save, apply. Yeah, I think it's looking really good though. You've met all of the requirements. You could try, you know, maybe adding in some details on your face, potentially, like maybe adding color into your eyes. You might have to use like the paintbrush tool for that, and just add in, you know, change the color here of the brush, put that in, and you can change the opacity, you can change the blending mode to like multiply. So let's see, just quickly try this out with a color, zooming in, and maybe like just laying down a color on top. Oops, I need to maybe make a new layer maybe, and just kind of boop. And then on that we'll just change it to like multiply. Did that work? I'd have to find your image here. Maybe this needs to go on top of your image, further down. There's your image of you. It's down here. So I'm going to try and put it a little bit closer. Okay. A little bit closer to the image of you. Let's see, the opacity. I guess maybe going to multiply in the layers panel. I'm not sure why it wasn't working up there, but and that will help, you know, so you can see through. Maybe you want to change add some pop of color in there, maybe your eyes, maybe your lips or something, just to kind of bring that out a little bit. Maybe do some color treatments to your cat, because it almost looks too normal compared to everything else. So maybe making him black and white or something would be good too. But other than that, this is looking really good. I've done a really good job with this. All right, talk to you later. Bye.